Mega. The Mega Cloud Storage is a great storage space that is much similar to the Dropbox storage, but the difference between the two is the amount of space that the both cloud storage provides. 50 GB of free space is available for the Mega Cloud Storage users. Mega Cloud Storage helps the users to download multiple files in the zip files, and uploading files through the mobile app is also possible. The unbeatable storage of 50 GB has made it among one of the popular free cloud storage available and has attracted a large number of users towards Mega Cloud Storage. The users who are searching for the excellent backup file option should definitely sign up Mega Cloud Storage. It only provides the best storage but also with the many security features.